Did you get Parmesan? Did we get limes?
Toilet paper.
Lettuce.
Bananas.
I got this.
Cookies.
Alexa, turn off my bedroom.
Okay.
Mother shusher. Go, 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 go. Sorry. Mother shusher.
Introducing the MediFlow water-based pillow. You sleep on a plump layer of soft polyester fiber for comfort, which is supported by an easy-to-fill water base that provides completely adjustable support. The MediFlow water-based system responds to head movement as you change sleeping positions all night long. And in a Johns Hopkins University study, the MediFlow water-based pillow was ranked best of all pillows tested in every category, including quality of sleep and neck pain relief. Take the MediFlow water-based pillow home today and discover why 4 million people trust their sleep to MediFlow.
Now you can take photography and videography to new heights. Literally, meet Birdie. Birdie is an aerodynamically shaped case for popular action cams like the GoPro. Once Birdie reaches maximum altitude, it will steadily start to fall with the camera facing downwards. The resulting photos are candid, capturing authentic in-the-moment expressions. Together, let's make Birdie fly around the globe.
Alexa, stop the music.
Hey, seriously? So, this is UV Genie. It's more than just a great speaker. Okay, watch this. Alexa, turn on the coffee machine.
Okay.
Genie helps me feel like I'm living in the future. Alexa, turn on the lights.
Okay.
And helps me not to panic at the little things. Alexa, ask RoboVac to start cleaning.
Okay.
Eufy Genie even keeps me out of trouble. Alexa, what's on my calendar tomorrow?
Tomorrow you have your wedding anniversary.
What? Oh,
Genie teaches me new things every day. Alexa, how many calories are there in a cake?
Cake contains 358 calories per 100 grams.
Even though sometimes it's not exactly what I want to hear. Alexa, what's the weather today?
At Venice Beach, there is a 99% chance of rain.
Oh, well. Thanks for the heads up, Genie. And for everything else.
Some magic you witness. Some you create. Emberlight. Control your lighting with a tap. Make your home your sanctuary. Turn any light into a smart light. Make your home magical. Control your lighting with a simple twist and a tap. Emberlight. Make your home brighter.
Now you can take photography and videography to new heights. Literally, meet Birdie. Birdie is an aerodynamically shaped case for popular action cams like the GoPro. Once Birdie reaches maximum altitude, it will steadily start to fall with the camera facing downwards. The resulting photos are candid, capturing authentic in-the-moment expressions. Together, let's make Birdie fly around the globe.
Alexa, turn off my bedroom.
Okay.